In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get arc power cells here in Arc Raiders. This method is actually extremely simple, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's actually only one way that you can use to get arc power cells here in Arc Raiders, and what you're going to want to do is actually defeat arc enemies. And not every single arc enemy is going to drop one, but the majority of them do. And you can really find these anywhere on the map. You don't have to be in a specific area, but for example, you can go on Damn Battlegrounds. Essentially, just get in this section, go ahead and make your way to probably one of these high loot value zones, just because there's going to be more arc enemies spawning in these areas. But once you do get in these areas, just go ahead and defeat some arc enemies. For example, you could do like a little fireball burner type arc. And when you do defeat it, it's going to like drop its body, essentially go search it, and you can actually get arc power cells from inside of them. Essentially, just defeat arc enemies, search them, collect any power cells they drop. It is RNG, so once again, not every arc is going to have one, but you will get plenty just by fighting them regularly. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.